everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I am again in my pajamas and I am again sick. This is turning out to be a trend here. So yeah, I'm going to film my lip liner declutter. I feel like everyone's been doing declutters. It's so great, it's so inspiring, and I just want to continue doing mine. So without further ado, let's get into it. I don't use lip liner that much, so I do want to get rid of quite a few, and I have some that are just really the same colors. I just really need kind of one in every shade, I guess. So yeah, without further ado, here we go. Let me let my cat in because she's meowing. Okay, so she's gonna meow and annoy us, but that's okay. This one is from MAC, and it's their Pro Longwear Lip Pencil and Fashion Boost. I like their Pro Longwear, not their normal one, so I'll keep that. I have some Jordana ones, and like, again, I just don't use lip liner that much. I mean, that's pretty, but I just don't know. So I'll hold on to that one. That'll be in the maybe pile. Okay, everyone loves the Jordana Tawny, so I'll keep that. I know some people wear their lip liners as like lipstick. I don't honestly do that much, but I like these, my Kylie ones. I have Candy K and I have Pumpkin. Definitely keeping Pumpkin because I do like to wear her liquid lipsticks with the lip liners. I just hate how the caps don't stay on. I also have Spice. I love both of those liquid lipsticks. And where is my other one? Well, I'll find it here. Also, these ColourPop ones are the same as the Kylie ones. They just don't, the caps don't stay on. It's the exact same. This one's in Bound. It's actually really pretty. Okay, not doing so well, guys. And then I have Pony. Here's my cat. Say hi, Santhi. Pony? I'm just gonna get rid of Pony. Both of these are like pretty loose. Yeah, it just completely came out, if you can see that. So I'll toss that. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I do believe I have a liner in my purse. This is the Couleur en Couleur in Rosewood. This is just super dried out. I'm going to toss that. I love the NYX ones. This is in Currant. It's kind of a nice dark maroon. Keep that. This is the No Bleeding Lips Secret Lip Liner. I love that. I'm going to keep that. This is Milani in Spice. Everyone loves this one. Yeah, it's super creamy. I'm going to keep that. I have this Starlooks in Bear. I actually really like that. It's a good brown. And I have been into brown lipsticks more. This Berry by Jordana. And I'll keep that in the maybe. I have this LA Girl semi-permanent auto lip liner. Don't know about that. In Wine. Yeah, that's really pretty. That's like a dark red. This NYX in Natural. I've used this quite a bit, and I really like it. This NYC one is completely dried up. I'm going to just toss that. Here is my other Kylie in Coco K. This one again seems dried out. So this Kylie one in Coco K, I'm going to have to just toss because it's so loose in the tube. And honestly, this ColourPop in Bound, even though I want to keep it, I'm going to have to do the same because they just don't stay where they need to. So I'm going to toss those. This NYX in Rose. Yeah, that's a good medium pink. I don't have any of those yet. This NYX in Plum. That's a good one. This Bite, I'm definitely keeping. My only Bite in 022. It's really pretty. I have an Ofra one in Silk. I'm just going to pass this one along. Hopefully you guys can see all my little piles here. So passing that one along. I have another En Color one, really interesting, in Tea Rose. Need to sharpen it. It's kind of on the drier side. I'm just going to pass that one along. I think it's still usable, just not for me. I have a NYX in Ever. It's really pretty. It's sometimes hard. The little swatch I find really doesn't look like what the actual color looks like. So it's kind of hard to tell sometimes until you swatch it. This MAC in Vino, this is not one of their Pro Longwear. It's just one of their regular ones, which I don't really like their regular ones. Not in love with that MAC formula, but I am going to keep it. This Kylie in Junebug. Good, this one's not dried out, and this is a great, like, Radiant Orchid shade. My other MAC in Magenta. I love this one. It's a little brighter than the Kylie one. I have to sharpen that. This NYX in Plush Red. This is my go-to red. It's honestly the only really true red one I have. That's always my go-to, but I really like that. Bloom is a great magenta color. Not doing so well, guys. Cabernet by Jordana. That's actually a really pretty color, and I like it a lot better than whatever this one was. I think it was a NYX. Yeah, the NYX in Current. So I'm going to pass along the NYX Current and keep this Jordana one. The Jordana ones are just so nice and creamy. It's hard because you don't want a liner, at least me, I don't want a liner that's too creamy, but I don't want one that's too hard. This Mirabella one is a great, like, orangey red, so that's nice. This Lord and Berry. This Lord and Berry, I feel like I have colors similar. It does feel very nice, but I'm going to pass that along. This 3C by Makeup Forever, I believe everyone, like, loves. And it's just a mini. I like that. I have this Tartist by Tarte in Tartagram, I think. Tartgram. This one's, like, super thin. I'll keep this one. I don't know, I was on the fence, but I'll keep that. I have this NYX in Edge Pink. That NYX in Edge Pink is really creamy. I'm going to keep that. And then NYX in Prune. Slightly different. Excuse me, so I'll keep that. Then go back to my two maybes. This was definitely a little of a fail. Yeah, I don't know why, but this Jordana in Baby Berry I actually like and pretty unique to my collection. And then the Jordana Silver Lilac, again, is super unique to my collection. So I'll keep those. So this is pretty horrible. I'm tossing 5, passing along 4, and keeping all these. But really, now this is like a manageable, I'm going to justify it. Ready? Watch me. This is like a manageable amount. You know, I do have a little more than just one of every shade. But I think I could wear some of these just by themselves. Some of these, you know, I do pair a lot with certain liquid lipsticks. And then some, you know, I just have for when I need them. So I'm not too mad about this. I used to have the what is it? The Urban Decay Ozone. I had like so many of those, and I never know where they disappear to. It's like my NYX those lip scrubs. So yeah, not the best I've ever done, but getting rid of 9. So I don't know. I'll take it. I think this is much better, and now hopefully I can start using some of these a little more. So anyway, hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope you guys have a little better luck with your declutters. So see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.